Welcome to this video, where I will show you how to reduce data usage during calls on the Viber app on your phone. If you want to save mobile data while making voice calls without compromising too much on call quality, this guide will help you adjust your settings easily. Let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, tap on More located at the bottom right corner. Then, from the menu, select Settings. After that, tap on Calls and Messages. Scroll down through the options until you see Use Less Data for Calls. Tap on this option to open its settings. Finally, choose On from the menu to enable the feature. This setting will help reduce the amount of data used during Viber voice calls, which is especially useful if you have a limited data plan or want to keep your usage under control. In conclusion, adjusting this simple setting inside the Viber app can help you save mobile data during calls without much effort. Try it out and enjoy making calls while using less data. Thanks for watching.